Talk to me.
Hey girl, hey, welcome back to my channel. I am lachelletrends, and sis, as you can see by the title, I am here with another wig review slash install on this unit you see me wearing right here. Your girl is not playing. I am getting summertime ready. I'm hitting you guys with these closure units, and I think, to me, closure units are the best. Like, don't hurt me, but closure units are the best to me. I love them. And yeah, we are here with another closure unit. This one is from Hermosa hair, and I'm sorry if I butchered it, but yeah, I'll have them linked in the description box below, as well as the direct link to this unit. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. On my channel, I do hair videos, fashion videos, as well as playing makeup, so go ahead and join the gang, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can be notified of each video I post. So yeah, girl, let's jump into it. Okay, sis, so again, it's from Hermosa, and this is the bag that it came in. Inside of the bag was, of course, the wig itself, and I'll show you that in a second, because of course we took it out and, you know, did what we needed to do. So inside of the bag came an elastic band with their logo on it, real cute. A wig cap, which is always great, and then some 3D lashes, which, by the way, these are so cute. Okay, so that's that. This is the unit. Now, I am going to put up a before picture because, of course, it did not come looking like this. I did not really co-wash it, but I did bleach the knots prior to and pluck it. And then whatever water got on, I just kind of blow dried it a little bit. So you can kind of still see the pattern. I probably need to blow dry it a little bit more, but it is what it is. But yeah, you can kind of still see the pattern. I believe this is like a body wave pattern, and it's super thick, y'all, like super thick, really pretty. It's a 5x5 closure, and of course I'm gonna have all of the details once we jump further into the video. But yeah, this is, we'll show the top first. This is what the hairline is giving, if you can see it. And again, I'm gonna put up what it looked like before, the hairline before I did pre-pluck it or pluck it, and you can't even really see the plucking until I put it on. But this is the inside of the cap. As you can see, you have the 5x5 closure. You have two combs, one on either side, as well as a comb at the bottom, along with adjustable straps. It as well has, like, you know, some lace at the bottom, and it does come with an elastic band, which is somewhere in this little plastic bag. I took it off just so I could, you know, pluck it and do all of that good stuff. But yeah, this is the unit, and the ends are really good on it as well. So yeah, girl, let's go ahead and put her on. So I started off by tinting my lace using my lace tinting spray in the shade medium dark brown by the brand Red. So now I'm going to put the unit on. I did struggle a little bit. I don't know why, because it is big head friendly. But yeah, just bear with me because I did adjust this unit time and time again. But yeah. So now I'm going to use my Got To Be Glue Free spray to hold this unit down. I'm going to spray along the hairline and then blow dry it in. Again, y'all, I kept adjusting this unit, taking it off and adjusting it. I don't know if it kept slipping to the back of my head. Girl, I don't know, child. So now that we finally have her melted, I'm going to cut off the lace. Now I'm going to tint the lace one more time using my Black Radiance Contour Palette in the shade Medium to Dark. And this is just to better blend it in with my skin. After I get it to my liking, I'm going to go in one more time with some more Got To Be Glue Free Spray. And I'm just going to do the same steps that I did before. And again, y'all, this is just going to melt this unit into my skin. Y'all, so I'm just combing out that glue from the hair, but once I get it all out, I'm going to begin styling this unit. I want to wear a I was gonna say middle part. I want to wear a side part because I don't really do that often, and I think it looks so good. So I'm trying to get the part as deep as I can. You will notice that I got it so far deep to where the track is literally right there, which is okay, but yeah. So now I'm going in using my wax stick, and I'm just placing that all along the part, and then I'm going to go in using my hot comb. Girl, so now for these baby hairs, I love to see the baby hairs on the side part styles or whatever. I think it looks so good. Now bear with me because baby hairs is not my forte. I have not worn baby hairs that much in so long because I've been going for like this seamless look, but today we gonna try these baby hairs. Now again, trust the process because I don't keep them this long. I do kind of tweak them in the end, and I don't really show you guys just because I wasn't really liking how they turned out. Anyway, girl, so as you can see or saw, I did just trim them, curl them with my little flat iron, and then to lay them down, I'm using some Got To Be Glue Free Spray, and I'm just swoopity swoop. So I end up taking my little curling iron or my little flat iron and putting it to the swoop just so that it can stay down, because it just wasn't staying put together. It just wasn't looking seamless, and you know this is a closure unit. So yeah, I used that, and it did the job. The Got To Be Glue just froze it right on into place. So now we're about to add these curls, sis. I'm going to spray the hair with some free spray. Once again, I'm using that as my holding spray. I'm going to curl the hair, and then I'm going to pin it with these little pins that I got from the beauty supply store, just because I think it will hold the curls a lot better. This is optional. You don't have to do it. I just want some tight curls, and I want them to kind of stay. Now let's take these pins out, sis. And girl, I think it turned out so cute. Like the curls were tight and bouncy. This is my first time doing like this little pin method, and I love it. I will do it more often. But yeah, I'm just taking out the pins and just, you know, playing with the hair. So adding my last touches to this unit, I'm going in with some fructed serum. This is just to eliminate frizz and then kind of just bring in a little bit of shine. Okay, sis, this is what the unit turns out looking like. Girl, why I'm about to start stuttering. We are super cute. Like, look at her, and she is so full. Like, I'm excited. Anyways, let me go ahead and turn around so you can see the back. And let me stand up so you can see how long she is. Y'all, my shirt is cute, huh? Anyway, like how off subject and random was that? But anyway, so girl, the hair is cute. Let's get her situated and let me pull her up. Okay, so we have Hermosa Hair's 5x5 HD Body Wave Wig. It's 24 inches and it is 220% density. No wonder it is so thick. I knew that this was a full unit and I'm in love. I never really get that thick density. But anyway, so let's talk about it. First and foremost, girl, stuttering today. First and foremost, this is a big hair friendly unit. I did not struggle to put this unit on at all. It fits comfortably on my head and I really like the fit. The texture of this hair is just real soft, real silky. You can run your fingers through it. I hadn't received any tangling nor shedding. And again, you guys, I did kind of pre-wash the unit. Not really, but just a little bit. I definitely washed the front where I plucked it and bleached the knots or whatever, but I hadn't received any tangling, any shedding. The ends of the hair is good and it's just really some nice hair overall, just real silky smooth and you can run your fingers through it. What else is the lace? Let's go back. Well, no, we'll go forward. The lace is some really good lace. Like, sis, what lace? Like, it melts in your skin. It is perfect. Like, the lace melted so perfectly. Love, love, love. The plucking, when I say it is so easy to pluck this unit, and if you know, you know, some units you will have like a tougher time plucking. I don't know if that makes sense, but if you know, you know, you'll have a tougher time plucking. Like, this unit plucks so easily to the point where I almost plucked it bald because it's just so easy to pluck the hairs out. And girl, it's just so easy. So just be super careful about your plucking or whatever, because you can easily over pluck this unit because it is just so easy to pluck. But I love it. It turned out super good. Yeah, that's really basically it, sis. Like, it's a really pretty unit. I'll have it linked in the description box below if you want to get your hands on it. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.